What's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today we're going to be doing a review on this wig that I have on right here right now. It is very much so beginner friendly and it's affordable, so let's get into it. Okay, so this is our girl after she has been co-washed and fluffed just slightly, nothing too crazy. I later went on and fluffed the heck out of her, but right here just a little bit of pulling of the hair, that's it. But yeah, this is what the construction looks like. It has two combs on the side, and elastic band and adjustable straps and a comb in the back. I cut the combs on the side out because I hate them. It has the tracks on the inside of the cap, so that way the cap doesn't show, which I really love. And it is a 1.5 across by 4 going back lace part wig. And this is what the curl pattern looks like. It's very cute, very natural. I love the kinky curly curl pattern. It is different from the Brazilian curly. The Brazilian curly is a little bit more loose. The kinky curly is obviously well, the Afro kinky curly is obviously a little bit more like of a tighter curl, but I'm just cutting the combs out here because, like I said, I hate them combs. And yeah, this is what she looks like after I cut the combs out. And this is another close-up look at the part. And don't you just love, I just stand this. Like, this is absolutely no product in the hair, not even oil, nothing. And I stand. Scoop, there it is. But yeah, so now I'm just going to pull a couple of hairs out. I couldn't really be bothered with like plucking the wig because listen, honestly, your girl has been struggling mentally and I just had nothing to give this day. I later on went in and kind of plucked it a little bit more, but yeah, I'm just adding some powder to the part. And I also added some little highlights too. I forgot to say that part. Just a couple of highlights in the wig, just to give it a little flavor for the spring. But yeah, now I'm just gonna do light shaping. Like I said, I really couldn't be bothered. But yeah, then I was fluffing to insanity. Okay, I fluffed for my life. Okay, so at this point, for the sake of the video and you being able to see what the hair looks like clearly, I'm going to remain standing because I feel like the hair off of the white background just kind of like you can see it better. I am also going to remain with the hair like in its fluffed out state because hashtag big hair don't care. This little piece right here is what the hair looks like when it is wet. No product, just the hair is wet. Cause y'all know I don't usually put product on my wigs. Okay, so let's get into the wig. Unfortunately, this wig is not big head friendly. Those combs that were on the temples, I cut them out because I don't really like them. The next batch of wigs that I have made, I'm going to get it made without the combs because the combs, I just can't stand those combs. They snag and I just don't really like them. So if you do get this wig, I've advised in like other videos that have this same type of lace part construction to cut the combs out if you so choose. I mean, if you like them and you want to keep them in, to each their own, but for me, I hate them combs. I cut them out each time. This is a lace part wig, so it is more for like the beginner friendly girls or the girls like me who don't really got time or don't really feel like doing the most with your wigs. This is a really easy and pop on and go wig, as you saw. Yeah, the density on this wig is 150%. Now listen to me, initially the wig is gonna look like it's not as dense as you would like it to be, especially like when you first take it out the package and when you wash it. But once it dries, you'll see her fluff and come to life, and then you can even fluff her up even more to this. Now I'll show you, I'll add in like pictures and videos of what the wig looks like initially, and what it looks like when you wash it, and then what it looks like when it dries. I always use the diamond brush on my curly wigs. I just like how it makes the curl pattern look a little bit more like natural. As far as the shedding goes, the shedding on this wig is kind of light to medium. Like, it's not really like super crazy, but it's not like super light shedding either. You will get some shedding. At least I got like shedding throughout the wash process and using the diamond brush and all of that. But today I haven't gotten any shedding. I didn't, like, you know, brush through it or anything, but just like with the pulling and stuff like that, like pulling on the wig. Okay, well, I got a strand right here, but you get what I'm saying. And as for tangling, it's a curly wig. I mean, come on. Curly wigs tangle. Wigs like this are not meant or designed for you to just be sitting around running your fingers through it. Once she's fluffed and puffed, you leave her alone. But yeah, I really love these lace part wigs. Like, it is just opening new doors for me as far as time. Like, I feel like there is something about being able to pop a wig on and go. I feel like I'm just maximizing the concept of wearing a wig. Like, when I'm able to just pop a wig on and go, I love it. And I love that, like, cause like I said, if you're not new here, you know that I typically wear my wigs in a middle part or a side part anyway. So it helps me out to not have the lace, because if the wind blows, then you'll be able to see the lace. But this doesn't have any lace over here. It's hair tucked under the cap that's coming through, so all you see is hair if the wind blows. Love that for me. In case you're more of a side part type of a girl, you can just shift this wig over to the side. It actually looks really cute like this, but I feel like I've been doing a lot of side parts lately, so I'm just going to shift her back over to the middle. But yeah, I neglected to mention that this wig is 16 inches long. I did cut some off, like I said, when I was, well, I don't think I said that, but I think I showed you, like when I was like trimming the hair down and just kind of shape it, just kind of trying to shape it a little bit. Excuse me, y'all, I'm tired. And I'm not really feeling the best, but I'm just trying to push through. But yeah, when I was trying to, like, when I cut it and shaped it, I did cut some of the hair off from the bottom as well, just maybe like a ½ of an inch. But the length of this wig is 16 inches long. Okay, so once more, let's just recap all of the information about the wig, because I feel like when I initially said it, I was just a little bit all over the place. I'm tired, I'm not feeling well, so please forgive my just haphazard sort of review. But this is a 16-inch Afro Kinky curly lace part wig. I love how I'm using all these air quotes. But yeah, it's an Afro Kinky curly 16-inch lace part wig. So it has 1.5 inches of lace going across and then 4 inches of lace going all the way back. This wig is not big head friendly. It is 150% density, and it is just perfect for beginners. Like, if you are new to wigs and you like to switch your style up or switch your hair up, or you like to try color, whatever the case may be, like, try a lace part wig, because a human one, because I just feel like they just lay flat, unlike some lace part synthetic wigs. Because they have the tracks literally starting like right here, it's a little humpy. But because this has 1.5 inches of lace going across, the tracks don't start till right here, so it lays flat and you still get the look of like a lace wig that you just parted down the middle, except you don't have to deal with all of the excess lace. So I think that's pretty much it, y'all. I'm sorry if like this video was a little bit all over the place. Like I said, I'm tired. I don't even really feel that good, and my brain is just not working properly today. I don't really know what's going on. I don't really have much enthusiasm, so please forgive me. I couldn't even be bothered with makeup. Like, I just literally threw on some simple makeup, no lashes, and tried to like push through. So forgive me for my lack of enthusiasm. Hopefully in the next video I'll be in better spirits, have better energy, and all of that stuff. But if you're interested in this wig, I will leave the direct link to it down in the description box for you to check it out. And please drop that in the comments and let me know what you thought of the video. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings.